It's like salty, sweet, peanut butter and chocolate. So good. So every week I make a menu list of all the things we're going to eat that week. But I always include one item at the bottom of the menu list. Dessert. This week I'm making Gooey Flapjacks. This is a recipe from Deliciously Ella. I've featured like hundreds of recipes. No, not really hundreds. I've featured a few recipes from her on this channel. I like to consider myself a vegan dessertist. I like to binge on sweet things. So I try to make vegan desserts because they don't have any refined sugar in them. Usually they don't have any flour or any kind of gluten. They don't have any dairy and they don't have any preservatives in them. So they're usually made up of really great healthy ingredients. Obviously, if you're gonna eat like a whole platter of desserts, that's not really like good for you, but it's marginally better than the regular that you could eat out there. This dessert is really discriminatory against people who don't have a food processor. She recommends putting all of the base ingredients like the granola or oats and the honey and the peanut butter in a bowl and mixing it by hand. It just does not mix. It's like cement. So I put all of the base ingredients in the food processor. The original recipe calls for honey. I know sometimes honey is not considered vegan because obviously it's derived from bees. I'm gonna be mixing probably honey and maple syrup today only because I'm gonna run out of honey. And yeah, so let's make some flapjacks.
Heavy raindrops are here on my one. Rain like this. What the spell you need? Stop, stop, stop. Heavy raindrops are here. What all the rain and night light so loud and clear. What the spell you need?
My favorite bit. So delicious. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Rain